The northern half of Britain really has seen a spell of wild autumn weather, some wet, windy and indeed wintry weather, and that is not the end of it by any means. If I take you forward to the weekend, you will see that things are going to stay very unsettled indeed. The worst of the winds, I think, on Saturday down across southern half of Britain. By Sunday, all of us will see a spell of rather wet and windy weather with gales, perhaps even severe gale force winds. There, Saturday, some showers coming in ahead of an area of low pressure, those strong winds across the south, and then on Sunday, a major area of low pressure really dominating the scene across most parts, perhaps the Northern Isles escaping the very worst of the conditions. And see how those winds really wind themselves up. Saturday afternoon, very windy indeed across the south. Something of a lull come the evening time and overnight, and then Sunday we get trapped in that circulation again, those winds revolving around, as I say, could be pushing up towards severe gale force through the Irish Sea. So if you're thinking of heading abroad perhaps on any of the ferries, best to check with your operator, and then gradually easing as we start the new week. So Saturday, a real mixture of sunshine and showers merging across Northern Ireland, the north of England, southern parts of Scotland too. Elsewhere, some sunny periods, but then on Sunday we have a band of weather working its way right across the British Isles, and as it moves into Scotland, well, it will turn very readily indeed to snow. That's already been the case as we come back to the here and now and zoom in towards the British Isles. Some of the showers across Scotland have really merged this morning to give longer spells of rain, some snow on the higher ground. And there have been some hefty old showers too across Northern Ireland, the northwest of England, for example, some of those running down into the Midlands as well. And you see getting across the North Channel into Scotland, well, they have been really very extensive indeed. It's a very strong winds across the northeast, and that combination really has caused us some concern, and we'll be keeping an eye on that situation right through the rest of the day. It's not all doom and gloom by any means. There is some sunshine to be had across the eastern side of England, down through East Anglia and the southeast, and there with the very best of the temperatures, well, 12, possibly 13 this afternoon, but it'll be a cold old night up there in the Newcastle area for the visit of Juventus. What a superb fixture, dry but cold there. Certainly a lot drier than it was at Highbury last night. Let's hope for a better result as well. Clearing skies overnight, I think we'll get the temperatures down close to freezing even in the south of England. And then this band of weather out in the western side of the British Isles will gradually filter its way in during the course of the day. And there you see bits and pieces of rain turning up in the west, but at least a little bit milder in the south. And then on Friday, we still keep that unsettled theme going, Anna, with sunshine and showers.